In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox app not working or opening on PC or laptop. So this is actually quite simple and there's a few things you can do right now to fix it. The first one is to go inside your Windows search box down here at the bottom and type in Microsoft Store, okay? So I just mistyped that. So yes, over here, go to Microsoft Store. Once this opens up top it says search apps, games, etc. You want to look for Xbox. Press enter, and over here where there's Xbox, simply click on it. And if it only says open, that means it's perfectly fine and you should go to the next step. But if it doesn't, if it says update or anything similar, simply click update and let the app update. Once you've done this, close this down. And then the second thing we can do is look for Xbox in here, inside the search yet again. Right click it and click app settings. This will take you to your computer settings and you want to scroll down until you see reset and repair. What you want to do is click reset first, and it says if this app still isn't working, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So first click reset and then click repair, or just click both in whatever order you would like, because this will kind of repair and reset the entire app. So that's the next thing you have the ability to do, okay? If that didn't work, what you can also try doing is restarting your computer or looking for updates inside your computer. And the way you do this is by typing update. There we go. Click and check for updates. And then in here, if there's an update, you want to click check for updates. It will start loading for a few seconds. And then after a few seconds or up to a minute, let's say, you'll see a list of available updates. Any updates that there's available, you want to click update and your computer will update. And after this, you can try opening up the Xbox app yet again, and hopefully it is working. As you can see over here, I have one update available. You want to click download and install, and that's it. So these are all the fixes. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.